ever wondered why dieting seems to be a never-ending struggle for many? Or why the keto diet in particular is surrounded by so many misconceptions? Dieting for the most part has become a complex labyrinth of do's and don'ts, leaving many feeling overwhelmed and discouraged. It seems that every other day, a new diet emerges claiming to be the ultimate answer to our health woes. Yet, amidst this sea of dietary trends, the keto diet stands out, often shrouded in a cloud of mystery and misconceptions. The ketogenic diet, or the keto diet as it's more commonly known, has been the subject of much debate and confusion. It's a diet that's often misunderstood, leading to a myriad of misinformation swirling around it. This misinformation can deter individuals from trying the diet, or worse, lead them to follow it incorrectly, thus not reaping its potential benefits. Now let's debunk these misconceptions and shed light on the 5 main advantages of the keto diet. The keto diet isn't just another fad, it's a scientifically proven approach to health and wellness. Here are the 5 main advantages. First, weight loss. The ketogenic diet shifts your body's metabolism away from carbs and towards fat and ketones. This change can help your body burn fat more efficiently, leading to more significant weight loss. By limiting your intake of carbohydrates, your body is forced to use its stored fat for energy, and this results in a leaner, healthier you. Secondly, improved brain function. The brain is a major consumer of energy. On the keto diet, it gets its fuel from ketones, a type of molecule that the liver produces from fat when sugar is in short supply. These ketones are a more efficient fuel for the brain than glucose, potentially enhancing cognitive function and mental clarity. Thirdly, reduced blood sugar and insulin levels. A ketogenic diet can lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetes and insulin resistance. By keeping your blood sugar levels in check, the keto diet can help prevent a host of health complications associated with these conditions. Fourthly, increased energy. By burning fat for fuel, your body can maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. This is because fat is a more consistent energy source than carbs, meaning you avoid those dreaded energy crashes that can often follow high-carb meals. Lastly, improved heart health. A ketogenic diet can reduce the level of triglycerides, harmful fat molecules, and increase the level of HDL cholesterol, often referred to as good cholesterol. This can lead to improved heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. These advantages make the keto diet a powerful tool for overall health and wellness. So it's not just about losing weight, it's about a complete lifestyle change that can improve many areas of your health and well-being, giving you the energy and vitality you need to live your best life. To recap, the keto diet offers numerous health benefits that go beyond mere weight loss. Let's revisit these 5 main advantages. Firstly, the keto diet promotes efficient weight loss. By switching your body's fuel source from carbs to fats, you're able to shed pounds more effectively. Secondly, improved brain function is a key perk. Fats are a more consistent energy source, helping your brain stay sharp and focused. Thirdly, the keto diet can significantly reduce blood sugar and insulin levels, making it a potential game changer for those dealing with diabetes. Fourthly, many people on the keto diet report increased energy. With a steady fuel supply from fats, those midday slumps become a thing of the past. Lastly, improved heart health is a noteworthy advantage. By promoting a higher intake of healthy fats and lower intake of carbs, the keto diet can help reduce risk factors for heart disease. So, next time you hear a misconception about the keto diet, remember these 5 advantages. Better yet, share them and spread the knowledge. Before we wrap up today's video, we have a special gift for you. We know that starting a new diet can be daunting, especially when it comes to meal planning. That's why we've put together a free book with over 100 delicious keto recipes. This book is a great resource for beginners, offering a range of easy-to-follow recipes that will make your transition to the keto diet a breeze. The link to download this free book is in the description below. We encourage you to check it out and start your keto journey with some delicious, healthy meals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to kickstart your keto journey with these delectable recipes. Be sure to check out the link in the description now.